sa celestial navigation, ginagamit ng mga stations is celestial bodies to predict kung ano yung coordinates kung nasan tayo. And in order to do that, gumagamit sila ng mga instruments like sextant para ma-measure kung ano talaga yung position ng marble through celestial bodies. It is based on predictable celestial motion, the use of celestial sphere and celestial coordinate system, which are derived from Earth's own coordinate system.
Celestial sphere, ganito po siya, no? So, tama yung sinabi ng definition. So, ito yung Earth. So, yung mga scholar natin, they created an imaginary sphere. Okay, ito yun, celestial sphere. That at the same time, determines yung circle na i-discuss natin. So, dito lalabas yung iba't ibang theory natin later on, such as LHA, GHA. So, mind you that celestial navigation talks about yung mga celestial bodies. So, hindi siya sa Earth, kundi sa skies, galaxy.